So I was having an issue with my original iPhone 12 Pro Max where the screen, especially on black screens or like YouTube videos, things like that, where there was a black border or a lot of pure black on the OLED, that it would kind of flicker like a greenish yellow color in that area. And so here I finally got my hands on a replacement after being turned away from the Apple Store and stuff over time, and finally saying, hey, the newest 14.5 or even 14.6 iOS updates have not fixed it. Give me a new phone. The left one is the old one. The right one is my replacement. So just to kind of compare, the settings are basically the same here. They both have True Tone on. They're both in night mode. Brightness is about the same. Settings, pretty much the same, but you can already see it here. I didn't even notice until now that all the gray sections had like a greenish yellow tint to them, and that I should have been looking at like an actual gray. I had no idea. Of course I should have known, but it just didn't click because that's what I was looking at. But the main place where I would see this would be in like notes. So if I were to be in notes, like you can see the whole keyboard's kind of got a greenish kind of tint to it versus what it should be is like an actual gray. So if I type on here, it would kind of flicker. It's hard to see here with all the light coming off the two screens, but from my testing, it's not doing it at all on the new phone. So it's pretty much great. See if I can get this to line up here. There you go. You can kind of see it flickering on the left one now. And it's not happening on the right one. See that flicker? On, off. On, off. But not on the new one. So I would say if your phone is doing this and you have not been able to get it replaced yet, get it replaced. It's definitely an issue. Hope this helps. Bye.